If you are trying to lose weight as fast as possible and safely, this video is perfect for you. You have to know that eating too little can put your health at risk. In fact, research shows a diet of fewer than 1,000 calories a day generally fails to provide the balanced nutrition your body needs. It can lead to vitamin and mineral deficiencies associated with severe health issues. This video will show you the 20 best and safest foods if you are on a mission to lose weight. So take notes. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss more videos connected to eating healthy food. Let's start with number 1, chickpea. Chickpea is filled with fiber, plant-based protein, immune-boosting antioxidants, and bloat-busting minerals. As a result, chickpeas easily go in soups, stews, salads, and side dishes. Plus, chickpea flour is a great baking alternative for a more nutrient-dense and filling end result. Number 2, eggs. Eggs contain almost every essential vitamin except vitamin C, plus minerals like phosphorus, calcium, and potassium. Besides being a complete protein source, eggs are also adaptable for different tastes. Number 3, beans. Beans are a staple of many vegetarian dishes because they are packed with plant-based proteins and minerals, and some B vitamins. They are also a significant source of soluble fiber, which will help your body take longer to process a bean-based meal, allowing you to consume fewer calories throughout the day. Number 4, spinach. Plant-based omega-3s belong in any healthy eating plan, but leafy greens like spinach are beneficial for tightening up. Spinach is loaded with minerals like potassium, which can help offset the effects of sodium. Number 5, avocados. Avocados are totally underrated. The fruit is high in fiber and is a quality source of healthy fat, making it an excellent food for decreasing hunger. But since it is a fat source, avocado is calorically dense, so it is essential to remain mindful of portion size. Number 6, kale. Another leafy green. Kale is virtually fat-free, and a single cup contains about 30 calories, alongside necessary amounts of vitamins A, K, C, B6, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. So whether it's tossed like a salad or sauteed as a side for dinner, kale is a no-brainer for anyone trying to eliminate stubborn pounds. Number 7, unripe bananas. Unripe green bananas are high in starch and resistant starch. Resistant starches are long chains of glucose resistant to digestion. As a result, they act like soluble fiber in the body and offer many potential health benefits, including weight loss and reduced blood sugar levels. Resistant starch can also slow down the absorption of sugar from foods. This keeps your blood sugar levels stable and helps you feel full. Additionally, resistant starch may increase fat burning. Number 8, chia seeds. Chia seeds can help with weight control in 2 ways. First, they are loaded with fiber to help you feel full, preventing overeating. Second, they expand in water. So if you eat them in their unsoaked form, they grow in your stomach, taking up more space and becoming a natural appetite suppressant. Number 9, tomatoes. Tomatoes, mushrooms, carrots, cucumber, and other salad staples all help you stay hydrated due to their high H2O content. Staying hydrated is a crucial step in the weight loss process. It fills you up, helps the body flush out waste, stimulates metabolism, and we need it to burn fat. Number 10, citrus fruits. The potassium in citrus helps regulate fluid levels, while the antioxidants fight inflammation, associated with belly fat storage and overall weight gain. Since a critical part of beating the bulge is proper hydration, adding citrus to your H2O can help non-water drinkers to sip up and ultimately slim down. Number 11, raw oats. Raw oats are full of resistant starch, type of starch that resists digestion, which is significantly weight loss friendly. Digested, resistant starch releases byproducts that can make your cells more responsive to insulin, helping to reduce stubborn fat around your midsection. Number 12, peas. A cup of peas packs 8 grams of protein and nearly all of what you need daily for vitamin C, plus magnesium, potassium, and iron, all of which aid in counterbalancing sodium and bringing oxygen to blood cells. Number 13, tuna. It doesn't get any better than the healthy fats in this fish. When it comes to hearty protein, alongside salmon and sardines, they are filled with omega-3s and lean protein, helping you fill up at mealtime. Number 14, salmon. Salmon is high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Research suggests omega-3 fatty acids may help people with weight classified as overweight or obese feel fuller. And fish, in general, may help you feel satisfied and fuller longer than other proteins like eggs and beef. Number 15. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds provide tons of immune-boosting zinc, but, more importantly, are a significant source of fiber, with about 7 grams of protein per snack-sized serving. Pepitas are a great addition to most diets. Number 16. Shrimp. Shrimp promotes increased feelings of satiety. Eating shrimp appears to decrease appetite by stimulating the production of cholecystokinin, or CCK, a hormone that signals to your stomach that you're satisfied. In addition, shrimp and other shellfish contain zinc and selenium, two essential minerals for immune health and increased energy. Number 17. Plain Greek yogurt. Fermented foods like miso, temp, and sauerkraut contain probiotics, also known as friendly bacteria, that help boost immunity and regulate gut function. Good gut health is key to losing weight or maintaining a healthy one because it ensures you're better able to absorb essential nutrients and supports good digestion. Unsweetened plain Greek yogurt can provide probiotic benefits too. Choose ones that have 5 strains or more of bacterial cultures per 6-ounce serving. Number 18. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants. The fruit also has anti-inflammatory properties and contains phytochemicals and vitamin C. Number 19. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds have different health benefits. All nuts are a good source of fiber, protein, and healthy fat, and they help decrease hunger. Meanwhile, seeds are a great source of minerals and healthy fat. Watch your portions here, too. 1 serving of nuts and seeds is equivalent to a 1/4 cup. Number 20. Water. Water isn't a food, but it's just as crucial for healthy weight loss. This is because all of our body processes need water to function. Metabolism is one of these processes, so be sure to stay well hydrated. We have come to an end. I hope the video encouraged you if you are already on the path to weight loss or still preparing for it. You can check out a diet that has already helped many people lose weight and improve their overall well-being in the video's description. Stay healthy.